Hello, people. Hi there. Hello, hello. I haven't been on for a while. This is feeling weird. I haven't done this for a while. So, hi. Hope you're good. Hope you're right. We're going live. We're back at it again. Haven't seen this for quite a while, to be fair, for a week almost now. And we're back at it, aren't we? And I'm excited. I have a lot to go through. I have a lot to show you. I like how deep dollar index is going in terms of building up sell side for us to work with, hopefully later on today. And yeah, hope you guys had a good weekend. I did. Actually attended a jiu-jitsu camp, which took all the energy away from me. It was nice. It was cool endeavor. Let's say, right? And yeah, I'm not too excited about what I see right now because I wanted these prices to be booked a little bit later this week, but we got it, so we're gonna have to work with it, aren't we? Hello, Thomas. Hello, Thomas. Wishes to you. Hope you're good, man. Hope you're having a good getaway, right? Aren't you? So let's see, markets are opening in 2 minutes, so I think we're just gonna have to skip forex because a lot of buy side has been built in. Sell side resting below. I'm not too keen in trading this because I don't like anything in here. This is an L that I took yesterday. We're gonna be able to go through that. I want to see higher prices though on forex, but I see zero possibilities in terms of participation for us. So without any further ado, we're diving straight into it. To be fair with you, we're going into indices, and because the markets are opening, and just to make sure, my expectations are below zero for today. Have none. And I have none because we have FOMC news release tonight. FOMC is releasing at, what is it, 2 p.m. New York time today, so about 9 p.m. Lithuanian time. And I'm not expecting much to happen because of that, because everything that is gonna happen today is gonna be building up throughout the session right now that we're gonna watch towards FOMC releasing later on today. Hello, Carolis. Hi there. It was great talking to you previously, just recently. So, yeah, welcome to the stream. Welcome to what we tend to do every single day, right? But I haven't done this in a while. I've been off for a week, so I have to get used to it. But markets are open. Ding, 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 right? And what do we see? Right away, we have an SMT here at the top, right? Nasdaq is trading a lot lower compared to ES, right? I have US 500 here on the left, Nasdaq trading here on the right. So Nasdaq is showing a little bit less willingness to push higher, which I'm not too keen about, because what I was expecting actually. Hello everyone, hope you guys are good. Hello. I was expecting a run towards this imbalance prior to taking buy side liquidity away from the market, right? Yes, we have equal highs, relative equal highs, let's call it. We have a buy side liquidity pool resting right above here. I wanted to be taken, but I wanted a little bit of retracement into this imbalance before we started running up here. So market didn't offer that for me, so I'm literally saying it out loud that I have zero interest in this no more. I'm just answering a few messages here and there. And yeah, so 2 issues. And these 2 issues that I'm gonna say are very reasonable for a day like this, which is FOMC releasing later tonight, NFP releasing on Friday. And 2 things to note. Look how NQ takes out sell side resting below here, right? Sell side right here, NQ takes it out yesterday. Take a look at the ES. Sell side out here, failure, right? Discrepancy. We're not in sync. 2 indices, 2 future contracts that are supposedly moving in tandem together. They're giving different price action on a daily. Lower low here, failure to provide that on ES. Put it to your notes, put it to your chart. This is important. This exactly explains why this push to the upside is happening right now. Not at the random time of the day, not at a random day of the week, right? But right now. Important. SMT explains it a lot, right? And right now, if that buy side liquidity pool remains open, I'm watching this hourly imbalance to be delivered, and maybe we're gonna long it. Maybe, keyword. We're gonna see. 1 to 4 risk reward, 1 to 3.5 risk reward. That's good enough, right? Otherwise, let's go deeper. 15 minutes. Still have that buy side and volume imbalance up above. So let's put this to our notes. We're gonna get there. I was just on a call with my colleague Benes, and we were just talking that we have a position open on a big account that we're collecting some data on, which is in a massive profit right now, but and we're kind of torn between holding on to the position or closing it and going towards the next trade already. So we're not sure in terms of what to do now. But SMT at the top, I don't like that. I don't like this SMT at the top. So what I'm doing, I'm literally logging in to take that position off. Interactive brokers, portfolio account, logging in. Sorry about this, but I'm literally gonna close the position. I'm not gonna be interested in holding it no more. Where's my order? Trade. Orders and trades. Opening that up. Bam. We have 5 contracts running for quite a while. We're at 1% profit. 1% profit is more than enough for me. Close position. Sell order. Accept. Accept. Done. Can I sell at the market? I should be able to. Sell order limit. No, market. Sell. Sell order. Yes, accept. Here we go. We're done. No, we're not. Okay. Now for contracts. Here we go. I got rid of the position. Sorry about this. Had to. Which is at 1% on a 1 million account, which is awesome. A little bit less, 0.96. This is great. Drawdown was minimal, literally. So it's very cool. 15 minutes. Buy side resting right above here. 5. New week opening gap. That has to be in our notes, right? I like those price points. Not random levels, but price points that we can work with, right? And now we're watching the market crash. Why are we crashing again? SMT here at the top. but failing to take out buy side, resting right above here, making it quite interesting. So decision is very simple for us now. It is very, very simple. We either wait for the market to retrace into this, taking all this sell side resting below, right? And then we try to buy into it, because that buy side is not gonna. I think that's the. So one or another, I think the market is looking to go lower, right? So we either participate in a move that pushes the market lower, or we say, okay, we're not interested in this yet, because we believe in higher prices, because that buy side liquidity pool is resting up above. We're gonna look to what? We're gonna look to enter a buy later today. I like this. I like this. It's just a little bit too big of a drawdown for me. Should we do it? Should we? Who's in? Who wants to do it together with me? Huh? So there's a break inversion, not even a break. So I'm starting to like this, man. This is a nice stop loss here. Inversion after an SMT. I'm still. You see how I'm still wondering though. I'm still wondering if I should get into this. I think I should. 400. That's a big limit order. Yuck. Ugly limit order. And we're literally getting killed right away. But I have to trust the model, right? I'm making it very simple for myself. The model, I executed. And do you know why I was wrong here? Who's gonna be able to tell me right away? It didn't trust higher time frame bias. And I'm trading on FOMC, right? So that's even more annoying. Let's see how bad this was. 400 of every and too bad. Too bad. Let's take a look around. So buy side taken, right? Equal highs, Algorithmic, exactly, yeah. But I love the fact of running away from it to take a little bit of sell side resting below. Yeah. That would have been so cool. This run lower. Right here. But I see an exit. This is what we do. This is how we get into drawdowns, and this is how we get out of drawdown. I see my model panning out, I execute it. Simply. 15 seconds later, you know, a loss. It is what it is. Okay, let's take a look at other places. Dollar still crashing. That's a little bit annoying. Euro. GBP. I'm sure. I'm not. Hour again. We're just leaving another opening here on NQ. We're not doing much else. Just leaving another opening. Alright. What do we have on ES? Same stuff. Another opening right here. Another fair value gap, let's call it. Buy side inefficiency, right? And this back and forth for the opening itself, this is where my interest really falls off. This crashing lower, reasonable, right? 16 minutes till the hourly close. Watching this, like, you see how not in sync both in the. It's crazy. Can't do much about it, can you? YMU 2024. YM is just. They're not talking to each other. They don't care about sad story. Yeah. Story. This hourly is getting close, so there's no hourly imbalance anymore. Drawn liquidity delivered here. Is this going to be a YouTube 2022 for a short? But there's SMT as well. I like forex going a little bit lower from where it is trading at right now. I do like it. Will it? Question. Will it? Let's bring the camera back to my face. There. What I don't like about the position I just took here is that risk reward was okay. Risk reward was awesome. Risk overall way too big for the account that I was way too massive. Like, it was not worth taking the trade because it just destroys the account itself. 400 off a 50k account is way too much. Way too much. So it's a little bit annoying, the fact that I took it. I think I rushed it a little bit, but we do what we do, don't we? This is going lower. Reasonable. But will it? Good question to ask, huh? I think it will, like buy side's taken. There's no interest up above here anymore. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure if I like this. I like forex crashing from where it is standing at right now. This pushing lower? Can't say. Hmm. For me, this is a 50-50. Like I can't work with this. Just so we're gonna wait. It's fine. Fine by me. Sorry that I'm distracted, but I'm very closely monitoring every single market, so it makes it a little bit hard on me, you know? But at the same time, I'm not able to get a read, you know? If I would be able to get a read on this, I would be able to talk. Like that's how it is usually. In that right now, it's a little bit of a struggle. Because you could be going short here. Like right now, you could be looking into it. I can't. Because of the previous loss that I took, right? And because of that fact, I have to remain very, very patient. Because 2 losses in a row, that makes it the situation very difficult for the account itself. And I'm gonna have to put the charger into the computer. So give me a second, okay? I'm just putting in the charger, okay? Be right back. Charger is in. I'm back. You already crashing? And we're not in a trade. Good or bad, I don't know. Way too big. A stop loss like I got no chance. No chances. Hmm. I'll take a look at forex a little bit. Dollar index bottoming out here, reasonable. Is there an entry? There's none. Euro topping out here, reasonable. Is there an entry? 5 minutes. There is. There is an entry on 5 minutes on you. We're gonna watch that. GU. Ugh. Yuck. Can't work with this, man. Nope. So we're back at it. We're back at watching index futures. Index futures, right? There's no SMTs. We're in sync on higher time frame, which is good. Yeah. 15 inversion. Maybe. NQ is showing a little bit less willingness to go lower compared to ES, right? And now now the weird part starts. There's a 5 minutes inversion to go lower and 5 minutes fair value gap here that might get inverted to the other side. Tomato. I really have nothing here. This looks like it's going to be a rough session for it. At least we're gonna go short on Euro, aren't we? We are. I like this. I like this. $50 handles, risk to reward. Insane. But at the same time, I'm watching it and I say, I don't know, because there's that double top right above the current market. We'll see. See how we approach it. Huh? I think I just turned off the camera, didn't I? I think I did. Yeah, I did. Sorry about that. Is it a buy if we invert this? I'm struggling to say. I really am. Like, I would love to be able to say it. 5 handles, volume balance. 5 handles, 250 for the risk itself. Maybe. Euro is not there yet as well, but this is already crashing. So what are we gonna do about it? What are we gonna do? Euro is not there yet. No. Still waiting. And let me do one thing. My monitor is just acting weird. Let me change the HDMI cable. 1 second. My monitor has literally been just turning on and off, on and off, on and off. Input, HDMI, please. Display port, fuck that. Let's see. Whoa. I think I messed up some. We'll see. If I did, I did. If I didn't, no, it looks alright. Still turning back on and off, which is, yeah, annoying. What else can we do? How else can I avoid this issue? There isn't many ways. I'm using way too many cables not to use the dongle that I'm on, so yeah, we're gonna have to stay annoyed. Which is fine. 1 minute session is starting, right? What do we want to do within the session itself? Pushing higher? Why not? Right? Pushing lower? Why not? You already see where I'm going with this. I seriously don't know what I want to see the market do. And there's no, nope, there's no inversion. Can it push higher now from where it's trading at? Easily. Am I gonna be able to work with it? Euro is offering a short though. Euro might be a very bad choice for me, but I have to execute. In my model, I execute. That's literally what we've been doing for the last 6 months, you guys. You can call it fun, you can call it annoying, you can call it boring, or you can call it very exciting. It is exciting in a way because by the end of the day, it all pans out, right? But pushing higher from here seems quite reasonable also. Yeah, I see. And I'm being incredibly honest, guys. I can't fucking trade here. Because my monitor just continuously keeps turning on and off. I have no idea what is happening out here. Like zero clue. This is way too funny. I want to minimize this, but I can't. Because the monitor is just continuously turning on and off, which is becoming a little bit frustrating, let's say, at least. Fuck me. I'm gonna film this actually. This is funny. How is this even possible? Wow. Okay. So I haven't seen anything like this before. Ay, 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 ay. And Gus is on a holiday, so I don't have Gus to fix this for me, sadly. So let me try to minimize it because I want to enter a trade, so I'm trying to minimize this now. If I'm able to, it would be great. Here we go. I think I clicked it on the right place. Yeah. Yeah. No. Oh, you guys. You can't imagine. You can't imagine how frustrating it is. Here we go. Took it off. Okay, now. Monitor. Off, please. Turned it off. That's good. Now we're back at... I have to fix it on your screen, guys, now. Sorry about this, but... it's gonna have to be a little bit... frustrating for a second. And once we fix it, we're gonna be good to go. So, I'm gonna... don't watch the screen now. Transform, stretch the screen. Sorry about this. And I'm gonna put it in a nice place, in a nice corner here. And we're gonna go and look for a trade, because otherwise I'm just gonna stay annoyed and nothing good is gonna happen. Nothing good is happening already in a way, but... Okay, let's see. Can I turn off that fucking monitor? I just took off the cord, I don't care. Alrighty. Back at it again. We have a 5 minutes inversion that we're gonna try to use. I'm not too sure how much I like it. Because on paper we're not missing anything. But we should be in a trade already. Yeah, we're late. Already we're late. I say take it like I can't get into this anymore. Buy side right here, taken away from the market, right? Can it continuously push higher from here on now? Easy. I'd love to see this bottoming out, but we're not getting that, so... If this inverts, we're out. So every 5 minutes I have to come check in on euro. And here, sadly, we didn't take this 5 minutes inversion. I chickened out of this. I did. Gotta admit it. When chicken nuggets on this. I don't see much that I can work with here. And I think that this is gonna be the trade of the day that we didn't take. So right here, the market inverts. Pah. Because it closed very high up though. Closed incredibly high up. But that's the trade. And we failed to take it, so too bad. But this is the right here. Buy side risking above. That buy side is from Tuesday trading, I think. Top loss is reasonable also for 5 handles. Like, this is all good, all cool. Now all you gotta do is watch it deliver. Not much else. Yeah. This is gonna go to our notes as a miss trade though. But this will have to go to our notes, so I don't chicken out on it next time I see it. No? Reasonable, right? Isn't it? ICT is in a long also. Edgar's, if you want me to show it to you, just pass by the office, but ICT is in a fucking long. Yeah. Now this really now frustrates me. This won't stay. Mark my words. I just wrote trendline phantom out here because stuff like this never stays. Never. Mark my words. But yeah, ICT is in a trade, which makes it even more funny. That bastard. I'm short on EU though. I am. I'm short on EU and I'm watching it hopefully deliver. We'll see. I'm not in this, right? So we're missing on a trade in terms of higher time frame bias. I want a little bit more of a retracement towards this volume balance. You see this gap on ES? Tuesday open. Wednesday open, sorry. Tuesday closes at 4 o'clock. Bomb gap, 6 p.m. open. 1 hour of trading missing. Yeah? I want the price delivering up there. Not only that, I have 15 minutes equal highs up here that I have in my notes forever. Like, we've been targeting that forever if you follow me long enough, right? So we've been watching that for a while, and now the market opens up. What does the market do during the market open? Manipulates to the downside, pushes the price lower, right? Pushes the price lower, and then for the session itself, 10 a.m. the session starts. 10 a.m. is the time that we want to enter trades. 10:05 closes above this imbalance. Bomb, buy order. Not only that, there's a entry in terms of imbalance and a breaker block. Low, high, lower low, higher high. Breaker block, entry. This is cool. This is a cool trade we're missing as well. I haven't seen a breaker block entry like this for a while, man. I haven't. So, breaker, bomb, enter, buy side resting above. This is gonna be awesome. Like, I get fucking frustrated when I don't enter a trade because my monitor is not working. So yeah, it is what it is though. But I'm not expecting to get an entry anymore here. Like I think the market is just gonna run. We're creating a very low resistance liquidity run here, and we're creating what? We're creating a trend line. We're creating this trend line so we can attack it later on today, tomorrow, right? This is gonna be cool. This is gonna be exciting, but we just have to stay patient now. We have to allow ourselves to wait it out, right? But now patience is gonna be very key for us. Incredibly key. And I do get frustrated. You see me frustrated right now. This is me being frustrated. Because I missed on a position, not because I wasn't able to see it, not because I wasn't able to exit, not because I'm just being stupid, or because my fucking monitor didn't work. Like, can you imagine? I even filmed it. Ah, yeah. It's fine though. It's fine. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Five minutes. I'm looking for more imbalances. I'm looking for more possibilities for maybe hopefully entering it. Still believe in that, huh? But yeah. Can it just rip without us? Easy. Not saying no to that. There's no breaker rock on NQ though, and I don't mind NQ running higher, right? Because like I didn't have an expectation to enter an NQ. Yes, I did have an expectation. We called it out loud. We said that I'm waiting for this 5 minutes inversion to happen. It did. Breaker block here on 1 minute chart. Too bad. I just made a new template. Now I know how I trade. Now I know how I do my markings so quickly. You see how many templates for a box I have? Pum, 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 pum. Now we know. Now you know. This volume imbalance is just holding in the market here, which is cool. I think we won't be able to find an order. I have that Euro USD running for me, which is awesome. 1% in the profit already. Like it's right there. Sorry that I'm watching another monitor that is not in front of the camera, but 1% in the profit on Euro. Very simple YouTube 2022 entry, and we're gonna let it go. We're gonna allow it to rip, and then we're gonna see what we do with it later on today. I think I'm not gonna hold it throughout the FOMC. That would be just crazy. So I'm gonna give it like an hour or two maximum, and I'm gonna be looking to close it right after. And here, this I hope you guys took it. Let me know if you guys took it. Like, good for you then. Man, I'm not in this, sadly. This was a great trade. Like, zero drawdown trade, actually. One tick of drawdown. Bam, you enter, one tick of drawdown, it goes. Yeah. But guys, I think so. I'm gonna stay very reasonable to myself. Actually, I'm gonna stay very reasonable to myself, and I'm gonna try to explain something towards you guys. So, what do I mean by saying I'm gonna try to stay reasonable to myself? I'm feeling frustrated right now. I'm saying it very simply. I didn't lose anything on this. I didn't fuck up the account. I did like there's nothing bad happens from me not taking this trade, right? But you can't believe what kind of frustration I feel inside me burning right now when I know that I'm not in a trade which is a reasonable model that could have been executed. Not because that I failed to see it, not because that I had a wrong bias, not because I maybe put a bad stop loss on it. I don't care about none of that. I'm sitting here right now very incredibly annoyed because I didn't trade a trade that I called on, actually, because fucking monitor wasn't working. So feeling this frustration, I'm saying it out loud. I'm gonna close this stream, guys, because I can't be in front of the chart because nothing good is gonna happen. I'm putting it very plain and simple. Me being annoyed here, it's not gonna bring any good for myself, for the account, for the followers of the account, or another 3 of followers of the account. I'm pointing to the monitors here. Every monitor stands for 3 of followers actually that I'm trading for. So not gonna be good for anyone. So because of that, I'm gonna leave the charts be. If I punch in a trade, I punch in a trade. I'm gonna let you guys know on Discord. But watch this. Watch 5571.5. So 5571.5 sharp. I'm watching that. I'm not in this trade, but I'm gonna let it run. If it gets there, it gets there. Hooray, we're gonna put it in our nose. But what I'm putting into my nose is that I'm fucking annoyed by the monitor that is not working. Yeah, sounds weird when I say it, but it's the truth. So I'm gonna wish you a very nice Wednesday, not even a Thursday. I'm gonna wish you a very nice Thursday. I'm gonna wish you good luck, good trading. FOMC releasing later today at 2 p.m. New York time. Be very careful. Don't open any trades during that time. Tomorrow I'm actually expecting quite a decent trading session, so tomorrow's stream is gonna be cool. And Friday we're gonna have some fun. We're probably gonna have some pizza for an NFP release, and NFP is releasing at 8:30, so we're gonna start the stream a little bit earlier at like 8:15 New York time or so we can watch the NFP release itself, and then we're gonna go towards index futures till later that night. So yeah, interesting week in terms of news drivers, and I'm letting this go without me because I'm a little frustrated, let's say. See you next time, guys. Bye.